Hi, my name's Tom. Let's talk kitty litter. We've been using the world's best kitty litter for a while now. We use the 2 times longer lasting multiple cat litter, and it works great, keeps the odor down, it's natural, it's flushable, it's made out of corn. We love it. Clumps, everything my cat likes, we like too. But a little while ago, we accidentally ordered this world's best kitty litter. This is the low tracking and dust control. That's to help your cat not track litter all over the place and to keep the dust down in the litter box. But there's a problem. This stuff does not control odor nearly as much as the regular 2 times cat litter does. Let me show you why. This is the low dust control kitty litter, the tracking litter. You see how big the granules are? They almost look like little pebbles. They're soft, they're crushable. Again, it's all made out of corn, so it's fine. The kitties don't have a problem stepping on it. But this is the 2 times X version. It's much thinner. It's a little more sandy. You can see how much smaller the granules are. 2 times X, this stuff controls the odor much more. It clumps much better because it's smaller. It can go ahead and kind of absorb the soil. It just kind of pulls it all together. This stuff works so much better than this stuff. It's probably pretty close to the same litter, but these are bigger granules. The low dust version is much bigger granules, less dust, less tracking, but by the same token, you lose your odor control. So for my money, this stuff, the smaller granules, works much better. So the 2 times lasting, the regular stuff, that's what works better for us. The low dust and low tracking stuff just has bigger granules and just doesn't do as good a job with odor. So if you're using World's Best Kitty Litter and you're still having odor problems, try this stuff, the 2X longer stuff, the regular smaller granules. This stuff works better than all the other brands that we've tried so far.